Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Tapo for geofencing routines, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Tapo app from your device's app store. Install the app by following the on-screen prompts. Open the Tapo app after installation. Create an account if you don't already have one by clicking on Sign Up. Enter the required details, such as your email address and a secure password. Confirm your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Tapo account using your credentials. Make sure your Tapo device is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. In the app, tap on the Add Device icon. Select your Tapo device from the list provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to Wi-Fi. Once connected, navigate to the Routines section in the app. Tap on Geofencing to start setting up your geofencing routines. Enable location services on your device if prompted. Set the location radius by adjusting the map or entering a specific address. Define the actions you want the device to perform when you enter or exit this area. Save your geofencing settings once you have configured the actions. You will then receive notifications about the device's status based on your geofencing preferences. Test your configuration by moving in and out of the designated geofence area. Adjust the settings if necessary based on your testing results. You have successfully authenticated with Tapo for geofencing routines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.